How's it going, everybody? Today's quick tip in the garage is this self-propelled wheel. It has zero tread left. The inside gears look almost perfect, so it's a shame to kind of get rid of this wheel. So what I'm going to try to do here is I'm going to take this regular 4.5-inch angle grinder with a wide, it's actually a metal grinding disc. But I'm going to go ahead and just see if I can actually just grind some new tread, some new life back into these wheels. So let's see how this turns out. Alright guys, so there's definitely a bit of a learning curve here. It's not going to be, certainly not going to be perfect, but should be definitely better for grabbing the grass and stuff. So I'm going to keep going with this. I'll come back at the end and show you the final product. Alright guys, let me give you a quick update. So what I did was I took off the guard off of my angle grinder, just give me a little bit more room to work with. I also took the wheel out of the vise. I just put it here on the side of my bench. It seemed like it was a little easier. What I ended up having to do, or what I ended up doing for technique, was I just held this like in place like this, and then I went from the bottom up. But of course that spins all of the material right back at you, so make sure you're wearing safety goggles. Would be better, safety glasses at a minimum, because it will get everywhere. It's all over my body. So once I got the technique down, it actually was a little bit better, but as you can see, it makes one hell of a mess. So just be prepared for that. So again, not perfect, guys. So this is kind of where I started. So this would have been where I ended, in this area. So as you can see, I kind of burned through there, maybe there a little bit. It's not going to be that big of a deal. But then as I got the technique down a little bit better, much less burn through, and there's definitely some tread there. So I'm going to do this to the other wheel, and hopefully the customer will be happy about this. It's better probably than spending, you know, 50-60 bucks for a new set of wheels. So hopefully I save them some money, and they're pretty happy with it. So that's the quick tip video for today, guys. If you enjoyed the content, go ahead and please hit the like button and the subscribe button. That helps me out on the channel. And until the next time, guys, take care.